Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what you're working with, model, OS, and lock type, because methods differ. Once done, back up your photos and contacts to cloud or PC so you won't lose anything. Make sure you have account credentials for the device owner account. You will need them. If you already have limited access, enable developer options or required settings now so later steps run without interruptions. This prevents a mid-process lockout and prepares you for recovery options. You should try account-based removal first because it preserves data and stays official. Sign in with the linked account to remove lock. If that's unavailable, use manufacturer tools or services like Find My Device to remotely unlock or wipe. These are authenticated and reversible only with credentials. When those fail and you have permission, boot into recovery. Follow the OEM sequence to perform a safe remove or factory reset. This step is more invasive, so make sure credentials and back. Once the lock is removed, reboot and set a new lock or leave unsecured briefly while restoring data from your backup. Make sure you re-add accounts and confirm sync to recover contacts and apps. If you hit an activation or account lock, return to the original account sign-in or gather proof of purchase. OEM support can remove activation locks when ownership is verified. If things still go wrong, contact the device maker or an authorized service center for assisted recovery rather than attempting unverified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.